My name is Syamil Ajasyaji, NIM 250861. Okay, let's go. I'm just getting started. I'm just getting started. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'm running late. I'm running late. That makes sense. That makes sense. I'm not used to it, to this. I'm not used to this. I'll get used to it. I'll I'll get used to it. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm a bit tired. I'm a bit tired. I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try. That sounds good. That sounds good. I totally agree. I totally agree. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No worries. No worries. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. I get your point. I get your point. That's a good question. That's a good question. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. I'll think about it later. I'll think about it later. It's up to you. It's up to you. I'm kind of busy. I'm kind of busy. I'll let you know. Let you know. Bye. Cukup. Thank you.